Hey, what's good YouTube? First ever reaction video on the channel. Yeah, I've been doing videos. If you know this video and you know this video, so yeah, I've decided to venture into reaction videos. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, today we're watching Testing Gwababa season 3 episode 6 by Tladi for the Nanas. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Boy, Tladi for the Nanas, the scintillating, most fascinating set to follow. Oh boy, you know what you do. Ayo, yes, yes, I like the energy. So, so guys, today we're back again with Testing Gwababa. So I wanted to ask, like, how do you feel about? No, I'm here with
Monkey Hazel.
Monkey Hazel. And so, guys, her Instagram.
If I had to rate this girl, I would rate her a cool 6. I won't lie. Yeah, a cool 6.
Is down there. Make sure you follow her. How many followers you on now?
Yo, bruh, I don't know. I don't know, bruh. Makanya sama lah. 40, I don't know, something there.
Something.
Yeah, one
Guys.
something yana.
If you like her, you make sure you see, for them to like you, that means you must have that energy, you know? Guys, if you like her energy, you know, guys, we're gonna get it to 1,000 followers in one day. Nah. You can if you can be yourself, okay. If they like you. So can you outfit checking guys? Yes sir. She's more inside. So we're in the car seat today.
I'm sorry, but this video doesn't have subtitles. Ish.
Ayo Bafetsi, ayo, and I'm here with Makanya, and he has gold, bro. No, Shanget gold, Fetsukolite. So, bro, I have a question, because I see you clean. First of all, you clean, and it's buff. Hey, you gym, ne?
Yeah, obviously, I have.
Be honest, Mfana. You get hands. Okay. You get hands, over. Sister, you get hands.
Next,
Why?
I am not so.
Yeah?
I'm so mutu store.
Why? Why?
Eh?
Why? Like, how often do you talk to girls?
He sees where this is going. He definitely sees where this is going, because I'm sure the girl is standing right behind the cameraman. So just put 1 and 1 together and give him 2.
I don't talk to girls.
Why?
I only have one girl, bro.
Who?
My girlfriend.
Oh, your girlfriend, ne?
Yeah.
Please come here, buddy. Please come here. Please stand here, buddy. So my brother, look at her, my brother. Yeah, rate out of 10.
Out of 10. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Rate your girlfriend out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
So you're telling me your girlfriend is more pretty than her?
Yes, to me, she's more.
To you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna respect your relationship, ne, my brother. Yeah. I shout out to you, ne, my brother. Hey, come here, cameraman, come here. Exit, ah. Relax, just say more. Relax. Come here. Talk, go just say more.
That boy was like, no way. There's no way I'm doing this.
So, Bafetsi, right now, we're just gonna approach them now. As you guys can see, there's 3 chains there. Yansala, Mbali must be ready now. So let's go to them. We're just gonna ask questions. Except Bafetsi. Let me not Bafetsi. Bafetsi, my name is Tladi. Kubutama Vitalona Bafetsi. Bani, what's your name? Bani? Luando, nice to meet you. What's your name, I thought? Lunga.
Yeah, sure.
Nice to meet you,
Makaveli.
Perfect. Makaveli. Perfect. I like the drip. So perfect. I have a question. I have a khona into enga-understand. Ngokubuza my dog. How often do you talk to girls?
Ya kancinci angikho mde material.
Why?
Ngiyazithandela.
Ngithola wena.
Siyafana mfethu.
Naked hands, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, you also.
Yeah.
Mbali, please come here. Come here, Mbali. Can you also come? Yeah, please also come. Okay. My dog. This is Mbali. You say what's your name? Come here.
Hazel, bro.
Bunny?
Okay, Hazel.
No, her.
Me.
No, okay, Hazel, no. Emil, what's happening here, ne? Please hold here, ne, my brother. Okay, you stay. First we're gonna come back, ne, my brother. So here, ne. We're gonna focus here, ne, my brother. Talk to here, ne.
Hayi intwana yami uyayicaba.
Oh, intwana Hazel, okay, Hazel, it's fine. Oh, intwana yakho, you know her. They know each other. Please hold here. Please hold here. Oh, wait, ne. Please share your mic, ne.
I think umvile mayikhuluma nami ne. Igama bathi ngiwulwanda mina.
Ngizonga neza. Okay.
Igama ngiwulwanda ngathi ngiringa nobani fana.
Oh, Hazel.
Hazel. Wayekasi.
Yeah.
Okay, at least amangwayekasi futhi amathera ayekasi angiwancanya ngithola. Sure.
Are you done, my brother? Wait, relax, Mali, come here. So my brother, what's happening, boy?
Na ukuthi mayingwayekasi amathera ayekasi angiwafateli ngithola.
Why?
Nje. Angiwafili like ngithola.
So you don't feel it?
Yeah. Like amathera ayekasi angiwafili.
Why?
Nje ngizothi why angina reason.
Manje ngikhona ku list.
Nje kwa uchera la like sengicava abochera ababhaya ngithola.
But you don't know hey.
Angikho need ukuthi ngikwazi like yabo ngithola so fele izono zabo bonke laba vele
come here, my friend. We had so bad. Ozala, my dog. What's happening, my brother? Come here, cameraman. My brother, please come here, my brother. Nah. See my brother. Okay, please stand there, my brother. Please hold here, ne? Sure, ne?
Unjani my sister?
Ngishapho na?
Right. Igama lami ngubulwa.
Mina ngoHazel.
Yeah. Okay. Awule pitch lapha eFreedom Park.
Yenzeni?
Uhlala la eFreedom Park.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Like okay, my guy like ngazi ngibeka kanjani. Mara I'm not fit like I'm like a person on a flow labo. Yeah, I'm like a person on a flow like yabo. Flow. Yeah.
Oh, you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Do you trust your girlfriend, my brother?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
So let me ask you. So if we'd call her, would you say your name?
If ngambiza.
Ngifoni yami, mangamfonela ngifoni yami. Ubani kama what's your name?
Lunga.
So Lunga, mangafonela girl yakho, would you say Ulunga? If or mangathi ubani kama le boyfriend yakhe?
Yeah, ngakutshela.
Nah, we're gonna let that slide. Where's your friend? He ran away, the friend ran away, but shout out to you, my brother. I respect your relationship, ne? What's your girlfriend's name?
No, Anisipho.
Shout out to Anisipho, my face, ne? You nice, my brother? I'm good. First of all, ne, I would say you are clean, my brother. Answer. You are very clean. Answer. He's even tall. Then I'm clean. So, boy, I have a question for you, ne, bro. How's the quality? I have a question. How often do you talk to Hans?
Depends.
Depends on what?
Depends on the day, you see.
Oh, the day. I'm sorry. And today's clean. That means it's a good day. Mbali, please come here. My brother, please share the mic. Okay, I don't know who's gonna hold it. Okay, please share. Ne?
Hi. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila wena?
Ngiyaphi. Ngama lamuvu yona. Bengajabula mangisi.
Hazel.
Uhlala ngakho phisa.
Around like us.
Usemuhlisa.
Ngiyabonga.
Bengajabula sazane kancane yabo. Even if we can be friends or
okay. Ngizongazi kanjani ke?
Even if I can get your number, is it fine?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yeah, I do not have a phone.
Come here. So it's a W. So you got her numbers, boy?
Yeah, I did.
Eh? So what you think about her? She's your type, boy?
No, she's very cute.
Nah, don't say 360.
Nah, I'm okay.
Oh, okay. Rate out of 10.
She's a 9.
nonchalant raise. It was obvious he was gonna get the number. You see, even tried to say, do you want a 360? And he was like, nah, I'm cool. Nonchalant.
She's a 9, eh? So when Mbali, what you think about my brother?
Nah, he's fine.
So he's also your type.
He's tall, so yeah.
So it's a W. So guys, hugging Yana, just a hug, a hugging Yana, just a hug. Just a hug.
Okay, just a young hug, yeah.
You can kiss if you want to.
There's no keys, only a hug.
Okay, it's a W here too. Let's get some more people, man. So yes, sir. Ayo, Bafetu. Ayo. And I'm here with.
My name is Erasmo.
Well,
Is Erasmo.
Ezaraima.
Okay, I'm not gonna laugh.
Yes.
Oh, that's your name. So Ezaraima, where you from?
In Mozambique.
You from Mozambique? Do you know what they say about chins from Mozambique? They get hands.
What?
You get hands.
I know.
Yeah?
I understand.
You don't understand? You get women.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bilga.
Yeah?
It's Bilga.
What?
It's Bilga.
What?
Bilga.
What's that? What's that?
It's mother's always father.
It's my brother. Listen.
Yeah.
Do you get women?
Yeah.
You do, ne?
You do it, huh, man. Huh? I noticed.
My brother. These women.
Men.
Yeah.
Esposa.
Eh?
Esposa. Sister.
Cherry.
Ay, cherry. It's
Yeah.
Bilga.
Oh, it's Spilga.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Okay. Do you get Spilga?
Yes.
Mbali, please come here. My friend, here's Spilga.
Yes.
You'll show me what's hold here.
I'm sorry.
Hold here.
I'm sorry.
Hold here.
I'm sorry.
My brother.
Yes.
When you talk to her, you must. Nah.
It's Bilga.
For sure.
Okay. Hello, how are you?
Hi,
It's good. It's not Indo.
I'm good.
Where are you living?
Freedom Park, around here.
Rodon Pagi. My name?
My name?
Yes.
Oh, Hazel, yours?
I'm sorry. My name. What is my name? My name?
Your name?
Yes.
I don't know your name.
Talking Portuguese. Alright, that's fine. I split your number.
Ish, I don't have a phone.
What?
I don't have a phone.
I will have your phone. Right. I know number for the mothers. For the brothers.
For my brother, you want my brother's number?
Yes.
Why?
I'm sorry. I know number for the sister, my brothers. I know. Alright. Hello? Yes, it's fine. I'm good. When I take your hands.
What?
When I take your hand. When I take your hand.
What? Look at the face.
Can,
I take you out?
can I trick your eyes?
No, yeah, sometime more free.
Yeah.
When you're free.
Okay, let me come in. So my brother, I
Yes.
wanna ask you what you think about her.
Ay, sorry.
Eh?
I need
What?
ngiyakuzwa kahle no.
Yeah. She's beautiful, ne?
Yes.
Is she your type?
Side.
Eh?
I know. I'm sorry. I don't understand.
No, you don't understand.
Yes.
It's type yako.
It's happy yako. It's happy cherry. You have a traditore.
Yeah?
Traditore
What?
is a traditore. Traditore.
What's it?
English for Portuguese.
No. Do you love her?
I can't understand that.
Do you love her is crazy.
Yamfuna.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I am full.
Hayi.
Eh?
Niyayifuna.
Ufuna?
Ngiyanifundisa akundikhulumisa uyanifundisa. I know to speak in English. You know
My brother, listen. Rate her out of 10.
Hayi. Niyayifuna. But you know to speak in you know to speak English. Speak in Portuguese.
I don't know how to speak Portuguese, my friend. I only know patrão. But you want her? Hey.
I'm sorry.
Okay, listen. You. Hey.
Amen. Yeah, that was bloody interesting Baba thing. So yeah, if you're new to the channel again, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Do all that good stuff, and yeah, check you out in another video.